Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this lesson, we will learn about different input devices of computer. Input devices. Data or instructions given to the computer is called input, and the devices used to input data to the computer are called input devices. Data and instructions may be in the form of text, image, audio, or in video, so we use different input devices for different type of data. These devices accept input data and convert it into machine readable form. These devices are also known as peripheral devices. Commonly used input devices are keyboard, in pointing devices, mouse, joystick, trackball, touch screen, light pen, and touchpad, microphone, and digital camera. Microphone is an also audio input device, and digital camera is input as well as output device. Scanners are also input devices, and magnetic stripe cards also included in input devices. Keyboard. Keyboard is the primary input device. Keyboard is similar to typewriter but has some more keys for special purpose. Modern keyboards contains 101 to 114 keys. Keyboard contains 5 types of keys: function keys, numeric keys, alphanumeric keys, special keys, and screen navigation keys. Function keys. Function keys are placed at the top of the keyboard, labeled F1, F2, F3, F4 up to F12. These keys have a specific function depends on operating system and software you are using. In some instances, these keys may be combined with Alt or Control keys. For example, F1 is used for help in most software. In C language, F2 is used for save, Alt plus F9 for compile the code, and Control plus F9 for run the code. Numeric keys. Numeric keys are numeric keypad is usually located on right side of the keyboard. It contains 0 to 9 numbers and some arithmetic symbols. Some special keys like numlock, insert, delete, enter, home, and page up and page down. Numlock key is used to on or off numeric keypad. Alphanumeric keys. This is the main part of keyboard used to enter alphabet A to Z, uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers 0 to 9, and some special characters like exclamation mark, @ hash sign, and %sign, etc. These keyboards are also known as quadri keyboards because first 6 characters on the top row of alphabetic contains Q, W, E, R, T, Y. Some keys contains double characters. For using those characters or symbols, we must hold Shift key in combination. Special keys. These keys have special function in entering, editing, and executing commands. These keys are present in surroundings of alphanumeric keypad. Example: tab, escape, shift, control, alt, enter, delete, backspace, caps lock, home, and windows, page up, page down, etc. Screen navigation keys. These keys present in between alphanumeric keys and numeric keypad. With the help of these arrow keys, we can move cursor easily left, right, up and down in the screen. Pointing devices. Pointing devices rapidly point and select text, graphics, icons, buttons, and menu commands on screen. Some important pointing devices are mouse, joystick, trackball, touchpad, touchscreen, and light pen. First of all, we learn about mouse. Mouse is the most common pointing device. As we move mouse over flat surface, the mouse cursor can move rapidly on screen. Mechanical mouse has two or three buttons on the top and a small ball at the bottom. The ball controls the movement of pointer on the screen. But nowadays, optical mouse become more popular than mechanical mouse because the optical mouse has light reflection instead of ball to control the movement of pointer on the screen. Mouse perform following function in better way as compared to keyboard, that are picking, pointing, and drawing. Joystick. Joystick is a pointing device used for playing games. It consists of base and stick. We can move stick and left, right, up and down on the screen. Joystick contains many buttons to perform different actions in the games, such as firing guns and lasers. We can attach joystick with television set. We can also connect joystick with USB port or by joystick port with sound card. Nowadays, wireless joysticks are most popular. Trackball. Trackball is an input pointing device. It works same as the mouse. It has rotating ball at the top. It can be fixed at a place because its body can't move and takes less space as compared to mouse. The ball is used to control the arrow on the screen. It is moved with the help of palm or fingertip. The buttons used to select the options. Touchpad is an input pointing device. It is used in laptop computers. It can sense the movement and position of finger on the pad. Two buttons are also located above or below it. Touchpads are used as an alternative to mouse in laptops. Touch screen is an input as well as output device. It is a display screen that is sensitive to pressure. The user interacts with the computer by touching a screen and selecting desired options. Touch screen also used in mobiles, PDAs, and satellite navigators. Light pane. A light pane is an input pointing device. Photocell at its tip sends the position on display. When the tip of pen is held against the screen, it is commonly used in engineering for designing purpose. It gives more accuracy than our fingers on touch screen. Microphone. Microphone. Microphone or mic is an analog input device used to record sound, or we can say we can give audio input to the computer. Computer circuitry convert these analog signals to digital signals as computer can process it. Digital camera. Digital camera is handheld portable input as well as output device that takes pictures as input and display that pictures on its screen as an output. Digital camera store captured images to the camera storage or in any memory card. Pictures taken by digital camera can also be stored in a computer for viewing or for editing. First digital camera was invented by Stevenson. Scanners. Scanner. Scanners are optical input devices that convert handwritten document, drawing, or any image and store in the computer in digital form. Scanner input is called direct input because it direct convert hard copy to soft copy. There are different types of scanners like handheld scanners, flatbed scanners, and barcode reader is also a type of scanner. Handheld scanners are portable scanners powered by batteries. These scanners is dragged over by the image to be scanned, but for good quality scanning, we should move handheld scanner carefully with uniform speed. These scanners are very useful to scan books, magazines, and newspapers. Flatbed scanner is like a photocopier, have a flat glass surface over which the image to be scanned is placed. These scanners are also known as desktop scanners. The paper is placed face down the glass sheet, light moves and scan the image. These scanners are the most commonly used, generally used at home, offices to scan photos, documents, engineering drawings, and maps. Barcode reader is also a type of scanner. Barcode reader is an input device, uses a laser beam to scan or read barcode available on various products. Barcodes are vertically lines of different sizes and shapes that contains data about the product like product name, company name, price, quantity, manufacturing date, expiry date, etc. Barcode is also known as UPC, Universal Production Code. It is mostly used at shops and at grocery stores. Magnetic stripe card. Magnetic stripe card have a magnetic stripes that contains data in the form of tiny magnetized and non-magnetized particles. The information stored on magnetized stripe card is read by swiping the card in a magnetic read head. Examples: ATM cards, credit cards, petrol cards, driving license, and membership cards.